Street food is exploding everywhere, from taco trucks to smoothie stands. But is it really better than fast food? Today, we're diving into what no one tells you about street food, your mental health, and how to eat smarter without giving up your favorite flavors. If you've ever felt guilty grabbing street food between meetings or late at night, you're not alone. Fast food makes life easier, but over time, it wrecks your energy, focus, and mood. Studies show that people who rely on fast food several times a week report up to 35% higher stress and anxiety levels. But here's the good news: you can enjoy street food and protect your mental health if you know what to look for. Here's the scary part. Most fast food isn't just unhealthy for your body. It's toxic for your brain. Deep-fried oils trigger inflammation that affects your mood and decision-making. That's why after eating greasy takeout, you often feel foggy or irritable. Researchers call this the gut-brain crash. But street food can actually boost your mental health if it's made fresh, with real ingredients. Think grilled proteins, herbs, and fermented sides. Let's compare. Fast food is reheated, made with processed oils, frozen meats, and zero fiber. Street food, on the other hand, is often cooked on the spot and seasoned with spices that fight inflammation, like turmeric, garlic, and chili. It's not perfect, but it's alive. Your body knows the difference. In Bangkok or Mexico City, many vendors use whole ingredients: rice, beans, vegetables, grilled fish, the same foods found in the Mediterranean diet. Here's how to turn street food into healthy eating. Skip anything deep-fried twice. Reheated oil is the real enemy. Add color. Pick dishes with greens, tomatoes, and beans. More color means more antioxidants. Ask for sauce on the side. Small tweak, big calorie win. And drink water or fresh coconut water instead of soda. These small upgrades can completely change how your body feels after eating. In Tokyo, you'll find grilled yakitori, high in protein, low in fat. In Tel Aviv, falafel with fresh salad and tahini, a perfect plant-based meal. In Mexico City, tacos al pastor with pineapple, the balance of protein, enzymes, and flavor. These are all technically street foods, yet they align with healthy recipes you'd see in any wellness plan. And yes, even smoothies can go wrong. Street smoothies often hide more sugar than a soda. Here's a quick fix. 1 cup spinach, half a banana, half a mango, and 1 cup of water or unsweetened almond milk. Add chia or protein powder. That's a real mental health smoothie. Stable energy, sharper focus, and zero crash. When you fuel your body right, your mind follows. Omega-3s from grilled fish, probiotics from yogurt-based sauces, and real fiber from vegetables feed your gut. And your gut produces 90% of your serotonin. That's your happiness hormone. So yes, street food can support your mental health if you make the right swaps. Next time you crave street food, remember, it's not about perfection, it's about awareness. Make these swaps, and your focus, energy, and mood will thank you. If this video helped you see food differently, hit subscribe and join the Healthy Hub community for weekly wellness coaching, smart recipes, and real results. Now tell me in the comments, what's your go-to street food craving? I'll make a healthy version next week.